Hello class, I want to teach you guys how to do the first part of the assignment. So open up this image, it should be in Google Classroom. First thing you want to do is you want to go up to select, color range. You want to click on the brightest part of the color that you want to select. Make sure it's on replace. And then you want to go back to plus and click on every shade of that color. Down here. Nope. That's fine, we could just erase that later. Press OK. We're going to put a black and white adjustments layer. So click on your half moon, go to black and white, get out of that, click on your mask, press Ctrl D to deselect everything, and now press Ctrl I, and you want to take a white brush, to paint away the areas you don't want to be in red. I don't want her arm to be in red. I want her hair to be in red. All I want is her lips, her nails, the glasses, her hat. Okay. First I'm going over with a big brush. Like so. If you guys can, hold down Alt and then click on the mask. This will make it easier to spot the red. Everything in black or gray is red, so I just want that. I just want the glasses, the hat, the fingernails. Everything else can go away. I don't want the nose. That. I'm doing kind of like a messy job right now, but I'll go back in with my black brush and refine some edges. I could hold down Alt and then click back on the mask to bring back my red, and I could change my brush to black, and color in what I messed up on. If you guys don't have a mouse, I do recommend you guys getting one. I heard from someone, or from a couple people actually, that they give you, that the school gives you mice, like a pair of headphones and a mouse for free. Or I'm pretty sure, I don't know how it works, but they'll give you one. So please contact the school and let them know that you need a mouse. It'll make your life way easier when you're doing all this brushing. Take my black brush in some of that pack. Use my black brush and brush in a little bit of that. If you guys are wondering how I'm going back and forth from my black brush and my white brush, really quick, it's because I set one of these colors to black and then the other color to white, and I could switch between those two with X, as you can see down here. So the top one I set to black, I click on the bottom one, and I set that one to white, and press OK. And I can easily switch around from black to white. Okay, that's how you select the color. And then we're going to put a hue and saturation above this. So go to adjustments, hue, saturation, and you can change this to whatever color you want by sliding the hue bar. You could increase the lightness of this just a little bit, not too much, because then it looks bad and it gives it that like washed out look. And on top of this, you want to write Vogue. I'm going to use that color. Put it in the middle, so click in the middle. It's too big, so I'm going to do 200. There you go. Change this actually to yellow, maybe. See how that looks. Nah, it's too light. It needs to contrast with the background, so still too light. Maybe like a purple color. Oh, that green looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna do that green. Alright, so that's how you do the first assignment. Very simple, only 4 layers. And I'll teach you guys how to do the next assignment in the next video.